So she has the scissors here and begins to cut. And the stylist further cleans up the lines, doing a beautiful bob. Now it looks like she has a dramatic angle going here. Oh, very nice. Absolutely beautiful. And I love the simplicity behind this particular bob style. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more fall hairstyle ideas. So if you're looking for something new and different to do with your hair this fall season, you've come to the right place. So here we have someone doing the violet hair color trend. Now we've been seeing a lot of reds and wines this season, and violet is definitely a play on the wine color trend. Such a gorgeous color idea. Next up, we see someone going from shoulder length hair to this very cute and chic mixie style. This is also known as a shaggy pixie cut. It does feature the long sideburns and a little bit of length going in the back. Very cute hairstyle. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we see someone with gorgeous long curly hair. So it looks like the stylist does a bright blonde money piece highlight look for this one. Now you can of course wear this particular trend no matter what texture your hair is. So there we have it. Now this is a nice play on the contrasting color trend. And then we move into the next transformation. So she's doing a DIY cut that the stylist is going to clean up, of course. And she ends up getting the curly pixie cut. This is also known as the curly tapered cut. Very popular hairstyle at the moment. And then we move on to another curly transformation. Looks like she's also mixing things up with a pop of color going there. And for the money piece highlights, we are still seeing a lot of blonde, doing more of that like contrasting color trend. However, you can do any color that you want. We are seeing plenty of pinks and coppers. It's just a great way to mix in some color. Very cute. And if you've ever wanted to go blonde before, but you were a little too afraid to do your whole hair, I think that the pop of color trend would be a great way to go. So next up, it looks like we have someone who wants to try more of like a bob. She might be getting some color here too, or the bangs. Bob with bangs is another huge trend for the fall season. Ooh, I love the overall shape and texture of this gorgeous bob style. Very nice. Alright, you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out all of these stunning hairstyle ideas with me today and you were able to gain some hair inspiration. If you did, please be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.